there were three things which I wanted to ask. I mean, so we have what is okay. Can you share your screen, because I think you might have got some
Yeah,
response.
sure. Yeah. Let me know once you see my screen.
Yeah. Okay. So when
Okay, can you check the code? I
just a second. Is this giving you? Langchain underscore OpenAI. One second.
yeah.
Langchain underscore open. Why is it giving error here? It means we have to check this part. Was it giving? Is it a error? What is that? Why it is showing yellow lines to us?
Grammatical thing, I guess.
Package is not installed.
Select a different interpreter.
Interpreter. Learn more about.
Python only, no?
You have to check if it's installed package.
Ah, it is
He has
there.
done it no last time. It was
Yeah.
working.
The environment also just you have to activate that.
Have you changed the environment? It's not necessary that you have to go in environment right now, because we are not doing any specific project. So even
Yeah.
in the normal you can folder you can work. For the
Okay.
project it's important to be in the environment. Where is it going? Cache, self-generated terminal, stop callbacks. No. Invoke near, it's not getting invoked. Last in your last code, have you called for can you just open your last code which you have used in the assignment?
Yeah. I just kept it. Where is it?
This one, I think, AI builder code assignment 26 July. No, that
Assignment.
was previous one, I think.
Yeah, this one, this one. Yeah. LangChain.
Here you have called Olama, right? Can you
Yeah.
try with Olama?
Yeah. I think I can try.
No, you don't need to copy everything. Just import part. Just do the import part. Model you are still calling same only, no? What we were doing there. 4.0 mini. 4.0 mini, I mean.
Um. Can I use this existing one
No, I'm
only? Or
saying that you use import or the Olama in the code which we were doing. Just copy the first part.
let me copy this one then.
Huh. Huh. Yeah.
Llama 3.1.
Yeah, but you have to call it also. Import also you have to do.
Okay. But I think with ChatGPT also it should at least reach there, right?
I don't think so. Try. Chalo, let's try.
Mm,
Just remember the files. Switching from here to there.
yeah. From
There,
.env
second
import load .env and then from
model.
LangChain OpenAI instead of
Because
this
you're
one,
calling from OpenAI. Just do Llama. Let's see. Llama is working for you because
I'll
you
copy
have
that
you.
line.
You have
Uh,
already copied. Just paste it there.
copy these two lines, I think.
Oh,
Let
Llama,
me
the
copy.
second one.
Let me copy this. It's going to Chatolama, then from there it is going to Llama. Right.
Hmm.
But I'll just see.
But you are also calling OS.
Yeah, correct. Is it making sense?
Yeah, we can try that. Just change the model name now. You changed it already?
I just said,
Now it is asking you the models.
yeah, correct. Llama 3. Now it is good, right? But
Yes,
still it
yes.
is problem is there. It says view problem, quick fix. Select a different interpreter. Type ignore to
Interpreter
suppress
issue.
warning.
Fix, just click on fix.
Oh, that lang chain, no, I can remove. This one, Chatolama, I can remove. I can directly import. Oh no,
Okay.
this one it is asking. I don't know why.
Okay, delete.
Okay. Now resolving the issue, importing, generating code.
Benton, is it working with you on your model?
It's like insufficient quota.
Oh, you reached to that level. That means it is good, right?
Yeah, yeah, it works for me.
Show me. What is it saying? Sorry.
Just the imports is not getting, you know. You have to check
Huh, but
that
I mean, there
the
is no error as such, right? But it is only saying the quota issue, right?
yeah, yeah, yeah. Now
Can you
I'm
share?
talking about Harish.
Oh, okay. Um,
It got mixed up, I think, for you.
okay.
Just check 2 and 3 because 2 is showing fine, 3 is giving you the error. Acha, you did hash.
Something it is
Okay,
doing.
you made it a statement. Okay. Okay, check the correction. Meanwhile, let's understand this part.
Yeah, from
Basically,
.env import load .env, and then from LangChain Llama import Chatolama, and then load .env. This is okay. Now this one model Llama, no? Here it is. I think I should put that exact one. And just say list Llama list. Oh, ah, what happened? Think my path got some issue.
GPT 3.5 Turbo,
Which
but I think
one?
all will show the problem.
Oh, Llama has gone somewhere. I think why it is not coming. Uh,
Okay, it's fine. Our aim
Yeah,
is not only to get the output, our aim is to understand the code part also.
yeah.
Though it is not showing me the error, it is only showing me the quota issue here with me.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so the code is not having a problem. It is only saying ki get the API key. Have seen? So I have tried with 3.5 turbo, 4.1 all. So it is only
Yeah.
asking for the API key. So maybe I have to just take one API key and maybe we will start getting the response.
Mhm.
Now, important part over here is for us is to understand three things. There are three questions what I am having.
Yeah.
First is in this code, what is LLM, what is invoke, and what type of a thing is response here.
Uh,
Okay,
LLM.
just to quickly
Yeah.
debrief this code what we have done, I have just posted in the chat box also. What is LLM,
Okay.
what is invoke, what type of thing is response here.
Yeah. So the LLM is no the actual brain, right? So LLM equal to this chat or llama, right? Or model, whatever model if I put here. So that one. And then invoke is to call that model actually. So whatever input that we are
Which
having,
code,
right? So
which part of the code is doing that? Can you just tell me that? Both of you think about it. I'm not in hurry in answer because today the idea is not just to give you the code. Idea is that what is doing what. Understand that.
uh, explain what
Think. Just take 2-3 minutes. Think about it because we have done this part.
uh, the prompt thing will go there.
So which part of your prompt, which part of your code is basically the LLM? Which part is invoke? What is invoking it? What does invoke mean? I hope you remember because we have done the terminologies already. And which part is the response?
Response I have written here. Response equal to LLM invoke. Whatever comes from that LLM, that is the response.
ठीक है चलो so the first thing LLM in your code is which line?
This one. From LangChain.
From LangChain, what from LangChain is doing? Okay, just practically think from LangChain, what from LangChain is doing. Basically it is just we have already taken a package, and from
Hmm.
that LangChain package we are importing something for this code. So is this the LLM?
No.
Benton? Just think about it because these are the practical elements of the code. Okay, we are, as I said today, you have to just understand the code because that will help you to choose the right thing right at right place. If I give you some business problem or any problem, how will you call what and when?
So where you wrote this LLM equal to, right? This one. This code.
LLM equal to chat
This is
open
LLM.
AI or something, right?
Yeah, this is LLM.
Yes, so that is your LLM. So basically, where we are actually You creating the LangChain LLM interface is your
Yeah.
LLM. So LLM is equals to whatever is the LLM we are going to use is your LLM. Okay, don't get
Yeah.
confused. It's not
Sure.
difficult. I know I'm suddenly asking, so we
Sure.
get
Yeah.
puzzled up. That's
Yeah.
absolutely fine. But next time, always remember. So,
Yeah.
three things I'm asking. What is LLM? LLM is the model we are using, the brain we are using in general language.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
the brain we are using is the model we are using. The which models right now Llama. For me, I have just
Yeah.
changed it to 4.0. Uh, 3.5 turbo. I was trying, the lower versions also, but actually nowadays it is asking for every OpenAI key. Anyways, so that is one. Okay. So second question was what is invoke?
Here we are doing that invoke.
Hmm.
So invoke is kind of a function. We are doing llm.invoke, and then we are telling to
Why
that
you use invoke? Suppose next time, whenever you create something, why will you use invoke there?
to start the model to start functioning. Means like when we invoke any function, that means we are calling that function, we are requesting that function to do something, right? So it's kind of calling the LLM, actual LLM, whatever is mentioned here, whatever model. So we are just calling the model by using this invoke function.
Okay, Benton, do you agree what Harish is saying?
Yeah, it's a function like it's just like a method of the LLM like object, like the LLM interface that is used to like give like a prompt to the LLM.
So, as the word itself says, invoke, this is the method provided
Yeah.
by the lang chains only. Okay, it
Yeah, the
runs the
LLM
model.
LangChain LLM
So
interface.
it is provided by the lang chains only. That how do I invoke some function? So for invoking some function, I have to use the word called invoke.
Okay. Yeah.
See, like you use anything, like in Excel when we write the functions, if I have to call sum, so I have
Yeah.
to invoke the sum there, right? So similarly
Correct.
here,
Yeah.
if I want to call anything from the lang chain, I will
Mm.
use invoke there. And in invoke, what do I want to invoke? So LLM dot invoke, and then we are writing the question here. Right now we are using it as a prompt from the model. So we are asking some question from the model. Simple. For now, for this small code what we have done right now. So invoke is basically invoking the LLM, asking this question. So the LLM will do their whole internal mathematics there and try to respond us. So the third step what we have done is that we asked for the response. So what type of thing is the response here?
Output. Response is a variable.
It
Variable.
it can be a variable. Right now, what
Yeah.
we are invoking and asking.
It's a response
Explain
object.
what LangChain is in simple terms. So that goes into this
That
whatever
will go to the
this function.
model.
No, yeah, this question will go to the model. Then model will run that function, and then it will process it, and then that content will go to that response.
So response में what we have given? We have asked for three prints. Print dot response also we had done. So you have
Yeah.
print response also we had done, right? So all the four has some meaning. So what is the first one? Print slash an AI is we are using it for that it should start from here, right? AI response. So
Hmm.
that is the heading, kind of a heading, correct?
Yeah. Yeah. Um, backslash n means like enter, and then. It will just write that AI
I mean,
response
give it a
as a
heading that
header.
AI
Yeah,
response, and then it should
correct,
give the response. Okay, so
correct. So
that way.
just a heading. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
After
And
that,
then like you have mentioned that I understand that is 60 character. So this line is it should be in the 60 character, the output. Um, this is doubtful,
then
but
what?
this one I can understand. This one is like the actual output that is coming from the LLM invoke and then getting into that response variable. So whatever is the value in that variable, which is an output of LLM's processing effort, so that will be printed here. This one is I'm clear.
Okay,
Yeah, this I'm not clear. Equal to and then asterisk 60. So this is I not clear.
okay, no problem, no problems, and that's why we are doing this.
Sure.
So,
Thank you.
let's understand this. So print slash and AI response, we understood that it should console, like I mean I need a text there, and that text is going to be a AI response. It means I can see the response of AI should be said like this. Now print equal to is the text value, and we are saying we are using a asterisk here and 60. Does that means 60 character, or that means something else?
60 space maybe?
60
60 asterisk.
dividers. So
60
basically
dividers.
equal to, yeah, you will see the divider like this. Okay, so that
Mm-hmm.
equal to sign matlab 60 dividers, one full line of equal to, it will look like a divider, right? So we are basically saying
Okay, got
AI
it.
response, below that the dividers are going to be there.
Clear, clear. Because that equal to is in double quote. So that I didn't notice. I was thinking
Ah,
equal
that's a
to.
text here, correct? So
Yeah.
we are, it's a subjective basically. So we are saying ki now it should give us a
Yeah.
divider, and
Yeah.
then
If I
this is
put
acting like a
asterisk here, then it will be 60 times that asterisk instead of equal to.
60 times equal to, not asterisk.
No, I put asterisk. No,
Multiply. I mean, you thought that. Okay.
no, I changed in my code. You can see my screen.
Achha, you changed in your code. Okay, okay. 1 second.
Yeah.
Reversed.
So
Okay,
I
you
put
reversed.
asterisk here so that now it will be 60 asterisk instead of 60 equal to symbol. That's what you meant,
Ah,
right?
so yeah, so
Okay.
in my code it was equal to, which is in the code, multiplied, I mean asterisk and 60.
Yeah, same I
That's what
had.
I.
So yeah, same I had. I was explaining same thing. Now just now I changed it so that I have the clarity. Say like if I put a hyphen, it will be
Huh.
60 hyphens, right?
60 hyphens, exactly.
Okay,
Now you
okay,
got
okay,
it. So that is
okay.
going to act like a separator. So
Separate.
I, so we are thinking, okay, I need a heading, then I need a separator. Then
Hmm,
after that, what do I need? After that, I need a response.
correct.
Correct. So then
Yeah,
I want that the it should print the entire response. The object will
actual
return. So whatever
response from
LLM
yeah, yeah,
invoke will give me the
yeah,
answer, right? AI message.
yeah.
Then
Yeah.
after that, what s response dot content will do for me?
It will be printed. No, it will have the answer actually. Whatever is the question,
So
that
if
it's the answer.
so if I just do response, is it not giving me the response?
No, we need to see the content of that response. No, whatever is stored in that as an output of the LLM's processing. So for that, response is just a no variable, but this is the value.
Are you sure?
If I just delete, so now it is telling here accept that one. Okay, only one option is there. If I just say response, leave it. This is saying variable dot content.
चलो.
I don't know. We can need to try both.
हाँ, actually. So I'll tell you simple. I have also created by while talking. I've created the slide so that we have a clarity. One second, I'll share that. Okay, so basically the key concepts which we have just understood. LLM
Yeah.
in your code, LLM is just a Python variable, right? Name pointing to an instance of chat OpenAI, like I have used chat OpenAI. So this
Yeah.
line basically was your what we understood
That is LLM.
is LLM, correct? And
Yeah.
second, invoke basically is invoking the LLM response from based on the um input of the user. I mean the question of the user, we can say.
Correct. Correct. Yeah.
One second. Okay. Then
Then the difference between response and
the
response dot
response. The
content.
response, if I just talk about,
Yeah.
simply the chat message or AI message depending on the model type, right? So basically,
Mm.
print response shows the full object, that is metadata plus content, and print
Mhm.
response dot content just the text output from the model. This is the simple difference between the two. So do I want my user to see the print response, or do I want my user to see the print response dot content?
Content only, because they have nothing to do with what is going on in the background, which model you used, and all those metadata. So they should get the actual answer which they are looking for, because they are like common people, asking for a question and then getting the answer. Yeah.
So basically, that means that when the earlier the models was hallucinating, it was only doing the print response part, right? But not the
Mhm.
print response dot content which has been created later. Have you
Mhm.
understood?
Mhm.
But like earlier, when people used to say no, oh, it's hallucinate.
Mhm.
Still, like many models, when we create RAG and all, it
Mhm.
normally hallucinates.
Mhm.
One second. Is my full screen visible?
It's,
You are
it's
sharing?
in slideshow mode.
I am sharing, but I think you were also sharing, so I don't know.
I stopped. Yeah, yeah,
It stopped already, right?
yeah.
Yeah,
Your screen it is saying Dr. Swati Verma has started. Okay, yeah, now it's coming.
coming now. Yeah, because I was sharing this one, LLM explained, then invoke
Mm.
explained. This you have seen, right? Or you can just
Yeah.
quickly check.
Mm.
So basically, response LLM dot invoke. When we are using invoke, this sends the string prompt to the model and gets back the structured response. So basically, it will just bring back the response. But after that, we want the response to be printed. Correct?
Mhm. Mhm. Mhm.
So for the print, we start for printing the response, we need a print response. Now, when we are using the print response, it is showing us the full object. Full object means everything it has collected from whatever is present in the brain.
Mhm. Mhm.
So if I go back to the chef recipe and if I want paneer butter masala, so every type of a paneer butter masala,
Mhm.
I mean, people are creating paneer butter masala in different style, right?
Yeah.
So everything is there in his mind. Ki, okay, I can do this also, I can do this also, I can do this also, from everywhere, every knowledge I have. But the user is looking for something exact. Maybe I need a concise response within 100 words. If someone has written that, okay, so from everything what I have collected from using the metadata plus content, I have to identify what are those 100 words which will answer my user's question. Is it clear?
Yeah.
So for that we are saying print response dot content, and that is going to be your actual text answer. Benton, Harish,
Yeah, understand.
Yeah.
now
Clear.
it is clear. So this is the
Yeah.
simple difference. So you will get the response in print response also, but we are using
Mm.
print response dot content to eliminate that hallucination part here,
Mm. Mm. Mm.
right? So in this
Yeah.
small code only, I hope we have now bifurcated three very important things. Yeah,
Agree.
before we
Yeah.
go to lab 2. So this is all line by line meaning also I have added. So this I was just doing by the time you were explaining me, because I
Yeah.
thought this will help.
Yeah.
Alright, so print NI is going to start with AI response as a heading, equal to and multiplied by 60 times is going to give us a separator like this. Okay,
Mm.
is this screen visible? Yeah. Print response, entire response, print response dot content, the actual response. Okay.
Yeah.
Any questions?
No.
It's clear.
Okay, so now you start looking at the codes like this.
Yeah.
I mean, just break it up, because when we are
Mm.
breaking it up, it is helping us to understand okay, this is exactly this line is doing, and do I need these extra? Because what is happening nowadays is, if you go to your VS Code and there are your extensions of GPT models which are there, which give you a lot of inputs from its
Additional.
own side. I mean, it
Yeah.
starts
Yeah.
sharing something to us, and that
True.
will make us more confused. Like, if I'll just quickly show you right now. See, this is showing me this bulb here. Okay, and if in case I click on this anything, anywhere I click, it will start giving me some idea. It will start
Yeah.
giving me some idea here. Okay, if I
Yeah.
click
Yeah.
this, it will give me lot of things here. It will give me lot of things. Suppose here, see.
Yeah. Code becomes so big that it
Huh.
doesn't
But
remain
I don't know
readable.
what is happening,
Correct.
because
Correct.
see, it has started doing also.
Yeah.
This is actually confusing us more, and we
True.
don't
Agree.
want that confusion. Okay,
Yeah.
so we will
Yeah.
only take suggestion of these extensions of AI tools which is there when
Yeah.
required, when we are very sure this is I want in the end. you know our
Yeah.
expectation should be clear in our mind. See, this it has given me earlier, which I have just undo it. I said okay, no, I don't need all this right now. So it has added the
Mm.
class, it defines a minute in this, like invoke also, it has added invoke and everything in this, which I have undo it. The key, this was suggested by the AI only, but until I don't need it, why do I unnecessarily add all this?
Yeah.
So we were at this model, and this model is clear to us now. So now if I ask you to create anything, only ki, okay, I need a model to be selected, I need that some question a user is going to ask and I want a response. I am sure both of you can create that easily. And you also know which model to call and how the lang chain will be called, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so then we can move on to lab 2 now.
Yeah, it works for me. It was like uh, issue with my Olama, which is not in that .v and v, right? So I
Because
have
you have
just
already created that
yeah,
environment, so it was not working out of environment right now.
yeah. So now it is
Show
working.
me.
Can I share?
So can
Yeah,
you check now response with content and without content, the
yeah. I'll just
difference?
share and then I'll just do it. So a simple, very simple one I wrote.
Because that's
So
the
very
experiment I
simple,
want to.
simplest possible code you can see.
That's okay. We don't want to get into very complicated right now.
Yeah.
So when you are
Just
doing with without
this is okay.
response content,
Yeah, yeah.
just do only response. Have you done
Sure.
both?
I tried once with the one question that were there. So normal response, in simple terms, and then again I tell it in layman's language. So again it told a little no different thing. Now I will just do it with only con-
Only response.
response. Yeah. I'll just run it.
In this model, it takes a little time, no?
Yeah, the local my machine CPU will get utilized, so it will be slow. Yeah, because I have only 16 GB RAM. So with that,
Oh, okay.
but these are smaller models, so it should work.
Fine. We are working on a very simple
Correct.
code right now.
Yeah, see this type of answer came.
Hmm. So basically, this is response. Benton is
Yeah,
there.
this is response with the content equal to this, right? And then
Because
all
I
those
also want
things.
Benton to see. Benton, are you there?
Yeah, I can see.
Prompt count, load duration,
And you can just
everything came.
scroll up, then you can see the response content also.
Yeah, response.
Earlier,
I
earlier you
just
already got it, right?
yeah. So if I say like um, response dot content, response dot content. So in that case, like I had already got this one. This was
You
just
already
normal response.
more
Yeah,
aligned,
correct.
user friendly,
Yeah, that
and
hyphen
of course
came.
we can define lot of other things, but we have just kept the temperature also 0. You can change
Yeah,
the temperature and see this time maybe upper just go up
yeah.
0 point.
One can I say?
Okay,
That
very
will be
creative.
yeah. So let's see.
Layman's, you remove the layman's language. Oh, you did already.
Then it will become more creative, no?
You just say
Okay,
explain what is LangChain
okay.
for
That's
developer.
it.
For developer, you say for developer. That's it. Don't say layman and all. Let's see if we are keeping one, what is it doing?
Okay,
How creative it is making.
sure. Industry, it is saved, auto saved.
Have to wait for some seconds.
Yeah, I gave both, so it should not cause
Or
issues
even if
because
you
yeah,
will, doesn't
one
matter.
also same time. Yeah,
Even if you will not give that,
yeah,
it will do it in the backend.
yeah, correct. So came both options came. So first one is response, which is like
All
so
the
much
collection
cluttered.
of information.
Correct, everything. Yeah. Now,
AI response. That heading and that divider. Yeah.
oh, okay.
From
So
here it is.
from here it is, yeah, a response. So this is the normal
This is
response.
AI response.
Now from here it is, yeah, this is the correct one. Correct? The
Yes.
content. So this content is like LangChain is an open source Python-based framework designed to make it
It is
easier for
better, easy
developers.
to read, etc. And also you will
Yeah,
see the asterisk marks making it more the bold and all, because in the backend we use
correct.
that double asterisk and all.
Yeah,
So
key
that is to make
features,
it bold,
modular
etc.
architecture.
With
LangChain is
proper
built
headings
around
and all.
correct modular architecture, language model integration, intent
Language में
identification.
creativity है, is it creative? Benefits for developers, faster development by providing pre-built integration modular component chain reduces the time it takes to develop deploy.
Yeah,
ठीक है.
creativity means like it came like lot of things, examples, see,
Hmm. Many examples
chatbots,
are there. Yeah,
getting started,
correct.
exciting development in the field of
Also,
natural
getting
language
started is
processing.
there. Hmm.
Yeah. So yeah, it is creativity I can see.
Yes. Good. Chalo. It's
Yeah,
working.
good. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. So now we have a better understanding. We have also seen the practical. Now in the same code, okay, I'll add a few things and then we will see few more changes. So now we are going to work on, one second, let me share my screen. So if in my model, when I want consistency, it means that every answer follows the same structure. Like suppose Harish has got this response right now, which has all these headings. Okay, and I want that every time whenever someone asks this question should have this consistency in that response. Okay,
Yeah.
maybe some same structure. If we want reusability, like if even if we swap the values, like the role, technology, whatever we are giving in the model, without rewriting the prompt, it should give me that option. And third is scalability, like because we the same model can be now scaled up for production level or for business use and all, right? So maybe it is for some users and then for the scalable more people. So useful for the labs, training, production apps where prompts needs to adapt to different context. If we are looking at this now from this small thing what we have created, so for that we need to work on. Array, what is happening? Prompt templates, right? So what we do is whatever we have constructed, we will try to reconstruct it. Okay. So prompt
Yeah.
template separates the prompt structure from the actual data, and that makes the application reusable. Okay. So the slowly, of course, we'll take in the concept, but let's first make some changes in the code, right? And then we will try to bifurcate the code. So I'm going back to my VS code. And here only we will try to do some restructuring of this or some small additions. So we have already done the first two things, that is we want .env to import the load.env which is required, right? LangChain OpenAI is required, so we will keep it same, right? um, Now we need a templates, correct?
Yeah.
So in
Yeah.
your codes also you have, if you see, go back your assignment, you
Yeah.
have
Yeah.
done this
Correct.
part from
Yeah.
LangChain core.
LangChain core dot prompt.
Yes,
From there, we imported that prompt template.
correct.
From LangChain underscore core
Dot prompts, yeah.
dot prompts. Yeah. Dot prompts. Okay.
Import
Import
prompt, prompt
prompt
template.
template. Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Now this is the part where when I am looking at some reusability, okay,
True.
so
Yeah.
this
Yeah.
is what I have to call. So this is first thing.
Yeah.
Okay. Now next, this is going to be the same. Then we are going to call the uh, OpenAI model, that we will keep same. Temperature and all we can always check, recheck. GPT
Yeah.
models again we can always call whatever we want. For me right now I have not activated anything, so anything I can write for now.
Hmm. Now we can just make
So
that
trial
variable.
we will do in yours only, Harish, because yours is working. Okay.
Yeah.
And model, you keep your llama only, okay, for you.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Then this part is same, of course. Now we need that prompt template thing, correct?
Yeah. So we can declare one variable, say like prompt.
Prompt, yes,
Yeah.
exactly.
Equal
So
to,
we
and then
here
yeah,
we will try and add that part.
prompt equal to
Prompt equal to, and then we can
that prompt
add the
template.
prompt templates here. So template we can add anything. It is also suggesting we can also add ours. Uh,
When
but
we
we
say
can
prompt,
also do one more thing here
yeah,
from,
dot
yeah, from template,
template.
what
Yeah.
you are saying.
Yeah.
Suppose we keep the same question, then it is taking the same question only which I have given here, invoke.
Yeah. This is good. Yeah. Or we can here we can say something different, no?
We can also
Here we
say
can say,
answer, we can also give
yeah,
some instruction that
explain.
answer in this way or that way, right?
No, here we can change this. Like we will not fix it. Here we can say that explain what it is in um, um, for specific um, experience of people or something. So say like here we can, instead of hard coding, here we can now say explain, and it's not necessary we'll ask only language change, we'll ask something different. So you
Huh.
want
So
to?
what I was thinking is that I have
Yeah,
some, like suppose I want that it should become something.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah,
So
like that.
suppose I want that it should become a technology assistant. Let's do that way.
Sure,
Okay. So I'm
sure.
just saying you are, one second. You are an technology expert or assistant, suppose.
Yeah,
Technology assistant. And you
yeah,
will be given a question and you will answer it in simple terms. Okay.
yeah, yeah. What all things it should
And
accept?
then
Yeah,
we can, and then we can say you can answer the following questions, and we give the specific questions only. Suppose,
yeah.
or we keep it
Question
general.
they
What
can
do you
take,
think?
no? Question we will ask the user to prompt. So we'll not give exact questions. So say like how you
No.
gave the assignment, no? That
So
concept.
I was thinking to that people will input. We want reusability, Harish. What we are
So
thinking to
reusability,
the means
for
that people
reusability,
can input.
people can input. Yeah,
So we have to give the inputs here, right? And
correct,
that's
correct, correct.
why I wanted to add question, sorry, and person can write the question,
Yeah,
something like this. Okay.
yeah,
Then maybe the role,
yeah.
and person
It's
can write the role. I have to change it, not only the technology assistant, but maybe here we can make it employee role.
correct.
Oops. Employee role. And what else?
And then experience level.
Experience. Employee experience, maybe. That's it. Anything else? Technology.
Um, Technology also, yeah.
Chalo, let's keep it to four. Okay, so four
And you
things
want output. Okay.
has
Anyways,
to
on
be.
the in the prompt only I mentioned the output here.
Yeah. And if we want to give some rules or instruction, we can also give that here. So we can provide
Yeah.
small instructions for
Yeah.
the
How to
response.
format the response, that we can, for response also we can just mention one
Huh.
category. So we can say that your response should be
By default, it is giving this. Provide a clear and concise answer to question in simple terms.
hmm,
Suitable for someone with a specified role and experience level. If in case anything else you want to add,
hmm.
recommended steps. Do we do some recommended steps?
You can ask example. Yeah.
So we can say, okay, number one, um, start
Give
briefly. Start
explanation.
briefly. One second. ये जो दे रहा है, this is also good.
Start the briefly explaining the main idea. Yeah, correct. Awesome.
Use simple
Already
language. हाँ अच्छा, it's good. It gives good.
good.
Simple
Awesome.
language
This is,
examples to illustrate your points.
yeah.
I want recommendations to be given. So recommendations I will write. Recommended. What do I want? I just want recommended
Mm,
steps.
recommended
Steps
steps.
or actions
Um,
that a person can take to understand or implement the. Chalo.
Recommended next steps, you can say. Recommended next steps.
So see, read it. What it has given.
Provide practical steps or actions that person can take to understand and yeah, correct, correct. Good only.
This is fine, right? This is good,
Yeah,
right? Anything else?
this is good.
That's it.
And then you can say that
Best
precautions.
practice.
Yeah.
Recommendation summary. It is
com-
saying.
Yeah.
Conclude with brief summary of key points, or we want conclude with
Conclude
best
with
practice.
conclude with best practice. Yeah.
Brief summary and best practice.
Yeah.
Chalo, let's keep it to this.
It came.
Of the key points. ठीक है. So we have given the inputs, we have given the instructions here, and
Mm.
these are the instructions. Sorry.
Now it is getting interesting.
Hmm. That's LangChain. So
Yes.
it's interesting. Okay, now what we had done is we have given all our inputs. Our quotes are also done. Our brackets are closed. Anything left? Done. Okay. Now we also need to give, before the print, the output, how we need the output, right?
Um,
So formatted prompt is something which we need to add. How your inputs are going to be, so these are the
yeah.
exam. This is very important part. Okay, so just look at this
Okay.
very carefully.
Sure.
Why we need and all, we will definitely discuss one by one. So
Sure.
formatted prompt is basically where we are saying that ki now whenever you format the answer is
Mm.
going to be like this.
Correct.
Okay, and here
Yeah.
we are going to give the example of inputs. So if you remember one
Mm.
shot, few shot, all of that,
We'll teach.
remember
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
techniques where
Yeah.
I told you that whenever I need a similar type of a format, I
Yeah.
have to use the techniques.
Correct.
Okay, so please try to connect those things now. Okay, so now
Sure. Sure.
prompt dot format, mein now I am going to give the format to it. So maybe my first is, see, it is already giving. Let me tab it. We can do the changes in this. So just say first it is giving question. What is LangChain? We can give any other question also. How should I prepare for something, for a project? ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं.
Yeah.
Instead of very easy question, how do I prepare for my AWS project? Now these are the examples which will help it to think ki okay, this type of a question will come. Okay, which
Oh,
type of people may come? Should we keep to software engineer or
yeah.
AI engineer or cloud engineer or something?
Software engineer and cloud engineer. You can give more options, no?
No, right now we are just giving one
One by one.
format to it. Only one
Okay.
format.
Okay.
So we
Let it be
keep
cloud
cloud
engineer.
engineer.
Yeah.
Experience level up to 1 year, 2 years is okay. 2 years is
Okay.
okay.
Yeah. 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 Technology, we
And
can say
AWS, because
AWS.
we are
Yeah. Yeah.
asking
Yeah.
for AWS.
Yeah. Yeah.
AWS.
Yeah. Awesome.
Okay.
Yeah.
So formatted
Um,
prompt, you understood how we want the prompt to be
how
formatted.
we want the response, right? Final one.
No, how the
That formatted prompt
how
will
the
go to
prompts can be.
how the prompts
How the
can be.
you
Yeah.
So we are training. Okay, this is small
Hmm.
part of a training we are doing, and then we will
Mm-hmm.
say print formatted prompt. If you want heading, then if you want to follow the same thing, we can do that way also.
Yeah.
Otherwise we can simply say print formatted underscore prompt. Okay, so these two are not compulsory. This is because it was suggesting, so I have added.
True.
Otherwise
Yeah. Yeah.
without that also it will help us in giving this. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
Now we have to do the rest part, our response invoke part, which is already there, I think. So response is equals to llm invoke. But in this
Hmm.
case, what do you think? What do we have to invoke?
That whatever.
Because we don't have one question, right? We have,
Correct.
oops, we have users changing. So here we have to do formatted prompt actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually this, whatever it is suggesting. So response llm dot invoke, and what we want to invoke is the formatted prompt. Benton, clear?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So earlier, the first one what we have done is only for one response, right? One question and one answer. Now we are moving on
Mhm.
multiple questions, multiple types of users, but and then it should create something for us, right? So
Yeah.
that is where we are right now. And I think that's it. Rest all is we can keep same response. If you want to remove the response part, Harish, because we are
Yeah.
experimenting on you, so you can
Yeah.
remove this
Yeah.
response
Sure.
part. Just keep
Yeah.
response content.
Awesome. Yeah. That is enough. Yeah.
So we keep it to this. Now, if you are ready, then we can check the response in your system.
Yeah. Let
Do
me
you want
just.
me to copy this?
Yeah. If you can share the code.
Huh, 1 second, I'll give you this. 1 second.
Okay. It was nobody. It was that wind chime, that sound from, I think, your end only.
No, my wind chime is not ringing. Though I have wind chime, but there is no air right
Okay.
now.
Okay. So complete code you have shared already?
No, no, not yet. I am
Not
just
not yet. Not
sharing.
yet. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Just giving. Now coming in three parts. Wait. Don't take that one also. Let me
Sure.
just
Sure.
redo it. Okay, this is first part, and then second.
Parts only, no?
Yeah, two parts. Last two parts. So I stop share. Now you share.